You guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and create another makeup tutorial look for you guys. So I really do hope you enjoy these, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and start off with these Maybelline Nude colors, and I'm going to be using this white creamy eyeshadow look as a base. And I'm going to grab my brush. And I'm just simply going to apply these on the crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX Ultimate Palette. As you guys can see, I always wear these eyeshadow makeup colors. I'm going to use this orange shade color right here. And I will use the same brush and apply this as well. And just grab as much as you want, depending on how darker you want it or lighter. Next, I will go with this pink color right here. I'm gonna grab this and apply this on the lid. Next, I will use the e.l.f. by Christian Siriano. I'm going to be using this purple shade right here. And simply, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this in the outer corner and inner corner of the eye. Just a bit. And with the same purple, I'm going to use the smudge brush from e.l.f. And I will apply these underneath the waterline. So I'm going to go back with the same brush and just smooth these a little bit. Now I'm going to use the NYX Epic eyeliner. Alright, you guys, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial once again. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up as soon as we're done with this video. So what I just did was I went ahead and applied my false eyelashes off camera to make it more easier, and then I went ahead and applied some of the Maybelline lipstick from Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Lover, that's what it's called. So once again, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.